Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix low volume problem on Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin! So, if you have struggles with low volume problem, I hope I don't have to talk very loud. No, I'm joking, you probably enabled this video on some sort of computer or other phone. But the way you can fix that issue is surprisingly pretty easy. Let's just get yourself with some basic info. You can increase and decrease the volume by clicking volume buttons. If you click this one, you are increasing the volume. If you decrease it, you can do that by clicking that button. Now, if you have troubles with the sound, especially that it's very low, you probably want to check if it's not coming from not your speaker but your Bluetooth device. As you can see, I am now connected to my headphones, but it doesn't really seem that way. There is no Bluetooth indicator. This is because you don't see it by default. It's pretty weird, to be honest, at least to me, but if you want to see if you are connected to something or not, you can expand the control center from the top right corner, and only then we have our Bluetooth device icon, and under then we have the Bluetooth button, which tells us that indeed we are connected to some sort of Bluetooth device. So you can simply disable it to rule out anything that you possibly or accidentally connected to, and then the sound should be coming from your speakers directly. And also we can increase the volume right here, right below the brightness bar. So we can also just go and increase the volume now, so you will notice that there is no longer a Bluetooth icon. Instead we can click the three buttons here, and we can click the cog wheel, and we are now transported into our whole every single volume bar, which is the ringtone, media, notifications, system, AI assistant, and lastly the alarm. So if you have troubles with actually changing those, also make sure that you have this enabled for just easier access and quality of life. You should be able to just bump up these values and make sure that they are pretty high up. However, if you still have some troubles with your speakers, you can always try to go into the settings, into notifications, do not disturb mode, and make sure that you do not have the do not disturb mode enabled, because I do believe that it may be able to lower the volume of your sounds. So just keep that in mind. And lastly, if you have still some troubles with your speakers, you can always try to reboot your device. And we can do that by expanding the control center once again, but this time let's click power button and let's hit restart twice. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software, but hardware as well, including the speakers themselves, which may have suffered some sort of bug or an issue or whatever else that caused them to give you low volume. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.